Now, when creating enrollments, we forgot to add one more validation. As you see, we can create a rating without leaving a review. So we're going to change that. We're going to the add review. You see, we can add a review. So we'll put a star, but will not put a comment. Now we're going to change that, and we're going to enrollment.rb. And here we're going to add this additional validation. So we're going to validate presence of rating if we have a review, and vice versa, presence of a review if we have a rating. Now let's try refreshing once again, and you see that we have a validation error, because if we have a rating, we should also write a review. So looks nice. Now let's go back to enrollments index. And I don't like that we have this rating word duplicated here. So we will just clean it up. Okay, and now we're going to work on our navigation. You see that we have quite a lot of links, and we're going to clean it up. Basically, there are going to be 4 kinds of links in our navigation. There will be a links that everybody can see. So there is going to be the search bar and the list of courses. There are going to be things that only students will see. They will see the courses that they have purchased and courses that they have purchased but did not review yet. There is going to be a navigation for a teacher. He will see his courses, his students, so the enrollments only to his courses, and the button to create a course. And then admin will see all the activity, he will see all the users and all the enrollments. So to do this, we are going to our layouts, header, and we are just going to create 3 new drop downs. We are just going to copy this one, put it on top, and we'll rename it to admin dropdown. So here and here, we're going to have the name of the dropdown admin. And inside, we're going to have a link to all users. We're going to hide the link from total display here. So no link to users here, but it will be inside the admin. Then we're going to add a link to see the enrollments. So link to enrollments path. And we're going to also comment it here. Let's see. Okay, in admin, we have the users, enrollments, and we will also have the activity. So let's see our activity. It is home activity path. We are pasting it here, remove the delete method, and here we'll have FA bell and activity. Okay, we're going to comment this activity out so that we do not see it anymore. And nice, so we have a navigation for an admin. He can see all the users, all the enrollments, and all the activity. Now this is an error with activity that we are going to work on later. And we are going to make this admin navigation visible only if the current user is an admin. So we're going to add such an additional validation here. If current user has role admin, then he will see this navigation. Now the current user is an admin, so he will be able to see this navigation. Let's see our users once again. Here is the list of our users. And we see that this user, us, is online. Now we're going to add the dropdown for the teacher view. So we're going to start with if with copying this one, and we're going to add that if current user has role teacher. Navigation for teacher. And he's going to have links to, let's see, to the courses that he has created, to his students, and to the button to create a course. Let's start with the button to create a course. So it's going to be a new course path. FA plus, and new course. We will hide the new course from here. And here we're going to have two new links that we didn't create yet. So a link to see the courses that belong to this teacher, and a link to see the enrollments that this teacher has got from other users. As well, remember in our home activity path, we don't want our path to lead to home/activity. We want it to lead directly to activity. So we're going to our roots, and we are going to get home activity to home activity controller. And we're going to change the link here. It's going to be just activity. So now there is no root home activity, but there is a root activity. This is a nice root. So we are removing home from activity path here and in the commented version also. Okay, now again we get this error, and we'll come to this error a bit later. So what have we got now? No home activity path in line 69. We did not delete it here. So, okay. So the teacher will be able to create a new course to see his courses and his enrollments. And there is going to be a student view also. So, okay, here it also has to be teacher dropdown. And we're going to add one more view. So if current user has role student. Actually, it's going to be like learn. Here it's going to be teach. Okay, so he's going to have links to the courses that he signed up to, and to the courses that he did not review. Now let's add it here. So student and student dropdown here. We're going to add an ID to each dropdown so that they definitely work correctly. And inside we don't have anything yet. We didn't create these scopes yet, so we're going to comment it. Now, we're also going to hide this home path, because we can always return home when we press the brand name. Oh, actually no, we will leave it for now. Now let's work a bit more on our navigation. So we are going to move this search bar from this side to another side. So we will cut the sidebar from here, and we are going to add it here. And we will put it into a form inline tag. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. Now, not to have these three links right after the search, we're going to copy this nav margin auto class here so that they're nested under it. And it's going to move our links a bit further. Now, looks not that bad. Let's also add some font awesome icons to these. So we are taking our learn, and here we will have a gradation cap. For teach, we're going to have something like a user next to a board. Let's check our font awesome icons, and let's check an icon for a teacher. So chalkboard teacher. Okay, and now we'll find an icon for our admin. Let's just add cogs, or a cog. FA cog, or cog. Oh no, we added it in the wrong place. FA cogs will be here. for the admin. Okay, so admin will have users, enrollments, activity, teacher will have new course, and 2 more buttons that we will add in the next lesson. The new course button will look like a gradation cap plus, or plus gradation cap. Okay, courses, find course. So in this lesson, we've just worked a bit more on styling our navigation. Thank you.